In today's video, we're showcasing the best AI photo enhancer apps for Android that can help you transform your images with just a few taps. Whether you're a casual photographer or a pro, these apps are sure to elevate your photo game. Let's get started. PhotoApp, AI Photo Enhancer. PhotoApp, AI Photo Enhancer is a powerful tool designed to enhance the quality of your photos with the help of artificial intelligence. This app provides users with advanced features to automatically improve image resolution, colors, and details. With its intuitive interface, users can easily upload their images and apply enhancements in just a few taps. The app also supports batch processing, allowing you to enhance multiple photos at once, making it perfect for users who want to save time while working on numerous images. PhotoApp is ideal for both casual users and photographers looking to improve their images effortlessly. AI Photo Editor, Face Beauty. AI Photo Editor Face Beauty specializes in enhancing portrait and facial photos by utilizing sophisticated AI technology. The app offers a diverse range of features, including skin smoothing, blemish removal, and makeup application, to help you achieve the perfect look in your selfies. Users can also apply filters, adjust lighting, and fine-tune details to ensure their portraits stand out. The AI-powered tools provide automatic enhancements that can save time and effort while still delivering professional quality results. AI Photo Editor. Face Beauty is perfect for anyone looking to improve their selfies and enhance their facial features beautifully. UpFoto AI Photo Enhancer. UpFoto AI Photo Enhancer is a versatile app that focuses on improving photo quality through AI-driven enhancements. The app allows users to upscale images, increase sharpness, and retouch photos effortlessly. With just a single tap, users can achieve significant improvements in their images, making them clearer and more vibrant. UpFoto also includes several filters and editing tools for further customization, ensuring that your images can be tailored to your preferences. This app is great for users looking for a straightforward yet effective way to enhance their photos with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of PhotoApp, AI Photo Enhancer, AI Photo Editor, Face Beauty, and UpFoto AI Photo Enhancer helps you find the perfect tools to enhance your photos effortlessly. Until next time, happy editing!